Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Jesse.
Together, we're the Reds at Ready.
With a passion that developed from our early years on our grandpa's farm, we've formed our business around helping farmers upgrade and make better use of their existing equipment. Grandpa used to say, "I can't afford a new machine, so let's keep what we have running in the best condition possible." From a young age, we were fully immersed in this philosophy of maintaining and upgrading what we've already got. Necessity has been the greatest motivator in defining our focus in providing mechanical solutions. We find our inspiration listening to farmers and their pain points, providing solutions that dealers and manufacturers have not or not done well. This is where Ready comes in. We are innovators determined to provide solutions that help keep farmers farming. As engineers, we begin with a robust engineering development methodology. From concept to prototype to production and delivery, there's a lot that happens. We also have several partner solutions that complement our core products, including technology upgrades from Intelligent Ag. Our father and grandfather instilled in us the core values of hard work, faith, and integrity, doing what's right even when no one else is looking. This, coupled with everything we do at Ready, is who we are, what we were born to do, and more than anything else, it brings us alive.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to see more of Ready.
Come see us at a farm show. Invite us to your farm. And remember,
There is still a future in farming.